Modern energy infrastructure stretches across some of the most unforgiving terrain on Earth. Out here, heavy machinery runs around the clock, separated from corporate headquarters by hundreds of miles of rock and desert. We generate millions of data points every second from these remote sites. The problem is where that data goes. It splinters. Maintenance gets one set of numbers, production gets another, and the boardroom gets a delayed summary. Because departments aren't sharing information in real time, engineers are stuck operating in the past. They often only realize a pump or a pipeline is failing after the mechanical breakdown has already happened. Operating by reacting to disasters is expensive. Sudden shutdowns cost millions in lost production, and more importantly, they put human lives directly in the path of unpredictable hazards. To fix this, you have to bridge the physical mud of the oil field with the advanced analytics of the corporate boardroom. You need a unified digital nervous system, tying it all together. That is exactly what OmniPetro does. It is an artificial intelligence hub, operating 24 hours a day, acting as the brain for the entire sector. By fusing physical infrastructure with a unified digital core, the system identifies and eliminates the blind spots that define the reactive era. The cycle starts at the field layer. Every well, pipe, and pump continuously broadcast its status, creating a massive, chaotic stream of live metrics. But raw data is messy. A faulty sensor might report a temperature spike, while a nearby gauge reads perfectly normal. If human operators act on conflicting numbers, they make mistakes. So everything flows into the data core. This engine ingests conflicting metrics, scrubs out errors, and standardizes formats. What emerges is a single, official source of operational truth. There are no more interdepartmental disputes because everyone looks at the exact same mathematically verified database. From there, the communication layer ensures that each user only sees what matters to them. A field technician sees maintenance alerts, while an executive sees overall production output. Flooding an operator with perfect but irrelevant data paralyzes them. True clarity happens when you deliver only the specific facts needed to make a split-second decision. Once the data is completely cleaned, it is instantly routed into the system's analytical brain, the AI core. The AI core constantly compares what is happening right now in the field against decades of historical engineering models, searching for hidden patterns. This chart tracks standard pipeline pressure. The AI detects a microscopic variance, a tiny fluctuation a human would never notice, and projects exactly when it will cause a future rupture. The system identifies the anomaly, passing data to the decision engine. The engine converts that predictive analysis into concrete orders. It maps out preventative solutions and ranks them by risk level and urgency. This is how you stop waiting for disasters to strike. By mathematically neutralizing an anomaly hours or days early, the physical failure never actually happens. When the decision engine identifies a threat that requires immediate action, it routes the orders directly to the autonomous execution layer. Before a human can even register an alert on their screen, the system can independently launch a drone to inspect a leak or command a smart valve to shut off the flow. But those immediate physical reflexes are separated from complex long-term choices. Those are escalated up to the human command layer. Human experts sit at the top of the chain, reviewing the high-level recommendations provided by the AI and approving the final strategic directives. The safest operations rely on this exact division of labor. Machines handle the microsecond mechanical reflexes, while humans retain absolute control over the macro strategy. There is one final, invisible step in the OmniPetro work cycle: continuous learning. Every action taken in the field, whether triggered by a smart valve or a human engineer, is fed back into the AI core as new historical data. This constant feedback loop means the system's predictive models become sharper, faster, and more accurate every passing day. Energy operations now prioritize what will happen in the future over what has already occurred in the past. OmniPetro is the intelligent pulse that keeps the global flow of energy unbroken, highly efficient, and perpetually safe.